Hi, good day all. I'm just going to be looking at the Philips limited edition bundle, which is your shaver and then your toothbrush. Philips One battery toothbrush. So yeah, so let's have a look what it's inside. So if I take this, okay, it's well packaged though. So yeah, basically you just get the one blade shaver, and then of course you get the toothbrush all in there. And so if we try to open this, okay, so the one blade shaver squats like that, and then you have the USB cable for the charger, and then you have those connectors there for the blade, and the blade is basically, yeah, there it is. It's quite well. Okay, so that's the one blade. Then you have the toothbrush. Okay, so there's the, okay, obviously you're gonna have to find the battery. Okay, it's got a battery in it already, it's not charged. And then let's start with this guy. And there's the toothbrush. So toothbrush, obviously somehow I have to work that out just now. The usual instructions. Alright, so basically you have your warranties and instructions for the blade, the shaver, and then on the left you have the toothbrush, and then down here, just usually use a coin, maybe it will be better, is basically where the battery is. See the batteries inside there. Oops. Okay, so obviously it's a AAA battery, and it needs to go in there, and then you obviously lock it again. Yeah, there we go. I think it just needs there we go, just click it in there. Okay, so the toothbrush, just to give you an idea, that needs to clicks it out, and then obviously the power and that must be lined in, and then it's a little bit, there we go, it's in. So right, so there, basically that's what you see in the box. You see for the bundle you have the shaver, the blade, and then of course the different covers for the blade, and then on the left is the toothbrush. Thank you for watching.